In this video, I will show you how I remove plastic nuts from the rusted metal bolts that fasten the toilet seat. These are the tools that I'll be using. The soldering iron was a necessity. What I'm trying to do here is to melt the slit into this plastic nut. When working on the toilet, you got to be careful not to bang the porcelain with the metal tools or drop one of the tools onto the base and crack it. This is the second nut that I removed. I'm showing this one first because the first one that I did didn't come off as easy as what I'm showing here. This took maybe 4 minutes to get this off. See this piece coming right off? Look at that, comes right off. There's a second piece, just like that. It's a go. Look at the rust that's on this bolt. There wasn't any way that nut was going to roll off. Be careful when you're working. Look what I did to my finger picking up the soldering iron. Let's go to the other side and I'll show you what I was up against. Before I started to take this nut off, I first soaked it with my 50-50 mix, transmission fluid and acetone, let it sit a while, and then I used those pliers on it, but this is what happened. It just destroyed that nut. So that's when I got the idea to use the soldering iron. But unlike the other side, this one didn't come off as easy. I tried melting it, then pulling it apart. But what was happening, because it was stripped, the plastic was just melted into a ball. I tried cutting with a new razor blade, that didn't work. I tried twisting back and forth with the wrench, that didn't work. So back and forth with the soldering gun and trying to cut a slit like I did on the other side. But I just couldn't get anywhere for the longest time. Then I thought maybe if I heated it up. Again, you want to be careful using a screwdriver here. You don't want to wedge it and crack that bowl. As soon as you pull the soldering iron away from it, it just like mends itself. I just have a ball of plastic up there right now. This requires a lot of patience. And it doesn't help that I'm wedged between the toilet bowl and the bathtub. On the other side, I was wedged between the sink and the toilet bowl. Okay, we started to make a little headway here. And there we go. That's it. Saved by the bell. I needed a break. Well, that's a wrap. If you have any questions or comments, post them down below. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like. It does help. If you haven't done so already, subscribe. Hit that Joe Z button. And ring that bell for more DIY maintenance and money-saving tips as I upload them. Until next time, stay safe.